cards. There's Aguero, Liverpool,
Game, Marco, Messi, and also CR7 Cristiano Ronaldo. And now, so we get into the pack. Okay, so what we got is John Stones. Christian Eriksen. Got Danny Da Costa. Marcelo with his hair. Just tape off. In our pack, we got Angel Di Maria. We got Christian Eriksen again. We got Lars Bender. We got Lieto. Oh my god, we got Danny Elvis. Wonderful. Very. Only 20 back. Now we got Ivan Winkle. That's a good pull. So let's go. That video, like and subscribe, and see more in my second channel called Aaron Trading Cards, and there's an go to F3 Freestylers as well for my brother. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.